aka Asha, aka Kosh, aka Asha, Asha.
What's up, my beautiful people? How's it going? I hope y'all are doing wonderful. I'm doing wonderful. I hope y'all are doing wonderful. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified every time your girl makes a post. I'm your girl. I'm AshaKosh. So definitely subscribe and put your notifications on so you know. Alright, so today I'm cleaning up my apartment. I haven't been in my apartment for about 2 days, and I just came home from shopping, and I'm in the nurturing type of mood. Like, I'm ready to like clean and make my bitch spotless. Alrighty, you guys, so yeah, I'm about to clean my apartment and show y'all how I clean my apartment, because I got a special somebody finna come by hopefully later on tonight, and I want it to be spotless. I want him to be like, damn, this how clean. Damn, I think I could eat off the floor. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to change into some maid clothes because I'm not trying to get my fit dirty. You know, I got a little set on from Fashion Nova, and I ain't trying to get that dirty. So I'm about to put on something more appropriate for cleaning. I hope y'all have some cleaning wear that you could wear so you don't get your like nice Fashion Nova fits dirty. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm gonna wear to clean too. So let me change into the outfit. So this is the outfit that we're gonna clean in today. It's functional, it's mobile, it's ready to clean. So yeah, let me show y'all hoes how to clean. Come on, follow me. So the first step is cleaning the bedroom. We're not really gonna clean my bedroom. Well, I am cleaning my bedroom. Let me not say I'm not cleaning my bedroom. We're cleaning it. But the first step is stripping the sheets and washing it, so that when we're cleaning other places, the sheets will be, you know, smelling good and getting right. Because I need my sheets smelling good. I don't know about y'all, but I wash my sheets weekly to monthly, depending on usage. Y'all think about the usage however y'all want. I'm about to play music and get to it. Hey Siri, play In Too Deep by Drake.
Y'all know I ain't trying to get copyrighted, so pop that. Pop that. Girl, you look so good. You better pop that. Whatever Drake and Future be saying. Yeah, pop that. Pop that. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Damn, shawty, you thick as heat. I'm just saying. Look at the body. Look at the body. Let me finish the song. Pop that. Yeah. Pop that. Yeah. Ho, get into it, ho. I had to take it to the washing dryer right after. Like I said, we cleaning it up. So I'm about to start the washing machine and, you know, start cleaning for real.
Hey Siri, pause the music. Alright, so now that I got the, you know, things in the washing machine, my sheets in the washing machine, I'm about to switch to my bathroom. My bathroom isn't dirty. I did deep clean it the other week. I need to deep clean my bathroom again. I feel like I cleaned my bathroom last week, but you can never clean your bathroom enough, especially if this is somewhere where you need to be clean so that you can feel clean. I don't know. I'm not ever going to complain about cleaning my bathroom too much or having to clean my bathroom again and again and again. Whew. Something got in my eye. But yeah, so I'm about to deep clean it again, and I guess y'all can watch me do it. And bitches is getting ready too, nigga.
Cleaning doesn't make you this happy. You not cleaning right. If you not in a good mood while you cleaning some shit up, start over, play another song, and get to it. Because cleaning should be fun, y'all. Cleaning should be fun. Getting your life together should be fun. Enjoy it. It's your life. Damn. I don't know why I gotta tell you that. Y'all should know this. But, yo, do it because it make you happy. If clean don't make you happy, then, of course, don't clean. But hire you a maid and don't be a dirty bitch. I'm sorry I'm cussing so much, but, you know, I'm just trying to let y'all feel it how I feel. It's a form of my expression. If you can't take this expression, No means am I being disrespectful to nobody when y'all hear this. Please don't sue me. I don't know about y'all, but I just feel like cleaning is just so therapeutic to me. Like, comment down below if you feel, or like this video right now, if you just feel therapeutic when you just be cleaning. Does it just make you just feel something in your heart and your soul? I know y'all just saw me clean this mirror. And yes, I'm cleaning it again. It wasn't clean to my standards. That's how OCD I am. Y'all need to be this OCD. If you think my male friend, my sneaky link is coming over my house and this shit ain't spotless, yeah. You talking to the wrong girl. Because if he coming over my house, anytime he coming over, he better be able to lick the whole crust out of the sock that he just stepped on because he know it's clean in here. Yeah, that probably didn't make no sense, but whatever. You know the OCD is kicking in when you have to make sure that your labels of your perfume is facing the right way. Watching me, like, clean is just so funny to me because I'm so, like, OCD, and now I'm, like, realizing how OCD I am by watching me clean. But, you know, we here for it. Yeah, we here for this shit. And I got a lot of male followers. I got a lot of males that view my video. And if you still watching my video up to this point, this is a PS motherfucking A to all the boys that got their own place that don't clean their fucking bathroom and they toilet. It's nasty if I have to go in your bathroom and I see a ring of, like, turd and fucking shit around it. If you don't get some bleach and get a little scrubber, you can get a scrubber from the Dollar Tree just to make sure that you ain't, when a bitch come over your house, you don't see no doo-doo stains on your toilet, like, goddamn, or no piss stain, because y'all be don't cleaning that shit. And that just upset me and my homegirls, and I just had to tell y'all because nobody was going to tell y'all, but y'all, it only takes 2 seconds just to make sure that your toilet is clean. And I like to put some bleach and some Fabulosa in that shit just to make it, you know, smell good and, you know, look good. But, like, I don't understand how y'all don't know this stuff. And it's cool because, you know, your mamas didn't teach you. AshaKosh is going to teach you. Yes, I did just spray it with some disinfectant. And, yes, I did just get a disinfectant wipe to wipe it down just one more good time. And, yes, I'm that much when it comes to the toilet. Hands on my knees, cleaning up that tub. Hands on my knees, cleaning up that tub. Yeah. Call me Miss Housewife. If any males out there looking for a housewife, yeah, that's me. I clean and I cook, you know. But if I'm housewife status, that means you pay all my bills. I don't care what you say. Cleaning and cooking for a man is a 9 to 5, and that don't require me to have a job if I'm doing that for you. Yes, sir, I said it, and if you got a problem with it, let's comment and have a little discussion about it, because I said what I said. We miss us some Rihanna.
Yeah, that's my girl.
We done. Okay, you guys, so some time has gone, like it's getting later at the night. What I did was my camera died, so I charged it. While I was charging, I was folding my clothes that came out the dryer so that I can move my sheets into the dryer. So my sheets are now in the dryer. And now I am sweeping and doing the living room because it's time. It's about that time. So I'm about to show you guys that process of me sweeping. Y'all seen I finished my kitchen. It's a way. Like, for me, I gotta dust off, and I usually wash these. I think I'm gonna wash my rugs probably tomorrow. But yeah, I definitely need to wash my rugs. My rugs are dirty. They need a little wash. I wash them once a month, so it's about that time. I'm about to just finish sweeping. No, I'm ready to have some floors that I can eat off of. Like, what are you talking about? You would think I haven't swept, and I swept literally a week ago. And that's why I'm like, I don't understand. Like, as an adult, dude, like, my mom had to clean every day because it was 3 of us. Because I can only imagine the mess that we were making because, like, oh my goodness. Me living on my own is a lot, like a lot of shit trying to fucking clean. Like if I don't clean in a week, like my whole house is dirty. And I don't understand. Shout out to all the parents out there that have, you know, all of them, because this is, I can only imagine having to clean up for my kids. And like, you would have to do it every day, because how would you survive? How would that even work, you know? Let me turn on the lights, because it's dark now. It's getting dark outside.
Turned out, for the most part, pretty good.
I feel like it was a great visit.
Between a baby shower and a baby sprinkle.
That was a baby sprinkle.
A baby shower is a celebration of the mother's first baby. A baby sprinkle is a celebration of the mom's next babies.
Baby shower is to get all those things you need from registry.
We have a lot of the stuff that we need, and
Last room, the bedroom. I am quite good, but I'm almost there, so I'm just gonna pull it together. You know, when I'm tired, I feel like it's always best to just like go ahead and knock it out, because you're almost there. You guys, I am officially done. Let me show you the spot where it's spotless. Well, actually, if you want to see what my house looks like when it's spotless clean, go check out my room. My apartment tour is going to be linked up here for you guys. I'm done. I'm about to make me some dinner for tonight and wait for my man, or make us some dinner for tonight. Yeah, I can't wait to see you guys. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.